That sounds like an intriguing experiment. Letting AI take the reins of your life for a week could yield fascinating insights and unexpected outcomes. Here's a hypothetical scenario of what might happen if you let AI manage your daily activities for a week. Day 1. Personal Assistant on Overdrive. Your AI-powered personal assistant kicks into high gear, organizing your schedule, setting reminders, and handling routine tasks. You wake up to a perfectly timed alarm, followed by a personalized morning routine plan. Breakfast is suggested based on your dietary preferences and nutritional needs, and your commute is optimized to avoid traffic. Day 2. Optimize productivity. AI takes charge of your work tasks, prioritizing your to-do list and automating repetitive tasks. You find yourself more productive than ever, with AI streamlining your workflow and providing real-time insights to enhance your performance. Meetings are scheduled efficiently, and AI-generated summaries help you stay on top of important discussions. Day 3. Health and Wellness. Guru AI monitors your physical activity, sleep patterns, and diet, offering personalized recommendations to improve your overall well-being. You receive reminders to take breaks, stretch, and stay hydrated throughout the day. AI suggests a tailored workout plan and tracks your progress, motivating you to stay active. Day 4. Financial Advisor. AI takes over your financial management, analyzing your spending habits and offering budgeting advice. You receive notifications about upcoming bills, investment opportunities, and ways to save money. AI helps you set financial goals and creates a plan to achieve them, ensuring you stay on track. Day 5. Entertainment Curator. AI curates personalized entertainment options, suggesting movies, TV shows, books, and music based on your preferences. You discover new content that aligns with your tastes, and AI even plans a virtual game night with friends, coordinating schedules and organizing the event seamlessly. Day 6. Social Scheduler. AI manages your social calendar, reminding you of important dates like birthdays and anniversaries. It suggests thoughtful gifts and plans social outings, making sure you stay connected with friends and family. You enjoy a virtual hangout with distant relatives, all orchestrated by AI. Day 7. Reflection and Insights. As the week comes to an end, AI provides a comprehensive summary of your activities, highlighting achievements and areas for improvement. You reflect on the experience, appreciating the efficiency and convenience AI brought to your life, while recognizing the importance of maintaining a balance between technology and personal agency. Overall, letting AI run your life for a week could lead to increased efficiency, better organization, and personalized experiences. However, it's essential to maintain a balance and ensure that human judgment, creativity, and emotional intelligence continue to play a crucial role in your life. This is just a hypothetical scenario, but it gives a glimpse into the potential impact of AI on daily life. If you actually conducted this experiment, I'd love to hear about your real experiences and insights.